Alright, we are at a strip mall HVAC heaven right now. Got a vintage ICP unit. It's probably like a Heil or something. Looks like a Copeland recip. Probably like an SR. That's really nice. Got an aux box right here. There's a vintage Remo they're running. Here's the data on the ICP. CH30 4-ton from 1990. And one of these just kicked on. Old Lennox. Got a paint right here as well. Dang, this paint is freaking clean. 2000 5-ton looks like. PA10. Apologies if this video kind of sucks. Also got a newer Luxor, it looks like. Vintage Lennox. Four-ton from 2022. Looks like one of those nice diplomats. Copeland recip. That was on the other side. Heat mode. Waning pane. Looks like a Goodman GSZ14. A couple aux boxes, nothing too special. And the 80s ICP / Heil / Tempstar. That's a really sweet unit. Got a vintage air temp as well.
Is that a weather wheel over there?
What else could be with four vents? What else could be with four vents?
Looks like it's got a Tecumseh of some kind.
I think we determined it was a 78 or a 79.
78 or 79.
But I don't know for sure. I don't remember. Alright, let me get you a data. I'm gonna pull the data.
Alright, yeah.
Here's the data.
Hello.
So yeah, that's about it.
Goodman CPLE as well. With the boys. Probably has a scroll or something.
Oh, this is actually a CKL 5-ton from 2005.
This one's a straight cool. Then we got another probably CPLE or CKL right here. And airflow. No, Duquesne. Scroll compressor. This actually looks like it has a newer scroll on it. 4-ton, 2002. And here we have a Carrier Tech 2000. Got the same building once again. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. This looks to be a 2nd or 3rd gen. Here's a Guardian or something. 1992 4-ton, 38 YKB. Doubt it runs anymore. And here's this straight cool thing. And here's a CKC that I can't exactly get to. It's got a newer Copeland scroll replacement compressor. Quickly get the data on this. 5-ton, 2016. And I'll try and get the data on this one.
Here's this what I believe to be an early 90s Superior Tech 2000.
And I'm not gonna use a doubt on that.
1992, 4-ton.
We have an old temp star in the same complex with a ridiculously installed fan blade. Come on, man.
Older ICP, looks like 90s.
Used to have a Copeland. It's a temp star.
What is this?
That's ridiculous.
What is this? Family upside down or something.
It's a 5-ton CH50. This is a 5000 model, 1988.
Heat pump?
Yeah,
Looks like it. Check out the compressor.
1988 model. That's neat.
What is that? That's a
Fan blade's
Bristol.
not neat though. Oh, it's a Bristol?
Got a Bristol.
Oh yeah, it does.
Bristol reset.
This is a 5000 model too. It's a CH50.
So they just dropped
Got more down the way as well. And real quick, here's this Coleman heat pump.
That
4-ton from 2022. And Goodman. Got a whole row. Got another GSZ 14, looks like. Skim past these real quick because we got some more interesting stuff to look at. XB. Amana. And right over here we have this
Westinghouse. Okay.
Westinghouse thrift air heat pump.
Well, this is something else.
That's really cool.
72?
I mean, maybe. I don't know.
Never seen a unit like this ever before. They have returned.
The data. Is it back there?
Yeah, it's right here.
Mitsubishi, I don't know.
It's a Westinghouse.
Westinghouse.
Carrier? Oh, it's an old carrier. Look at that.
No, it's a Westinghouse.
Look at the data.
What is it?
Westinghouse.
Westinghouse.
Not a carrier.
Oh, look at that. Heat pump Westinghouse.
A Payne
Holy shit, maybe it's that.
PH13.
It might be 72. That's an oldie.
Yeah, I'll have to take a look at the data later.
That's in the back, of course. Dude, that thing is black.
I've never seen a unit like this before. That's really cool.
Flare connections. Look at that.
Data tag back here.
And here we have a really old York. 70s for sure. Early 80s.
Old New York. I'm not gonna bother getting the data.
Oh, that's a warning label. That's not the data sheet.
Is this a heat pump?
Very nice units over here.
Is this a heat pump?
Data sheet's like all blocked off.
And now it's York.
It's
That's
behind
awesome.
there. It's accessible.
Yeah, inaccessible data. There you go. Another gem. And for shits and giggles, here's this Goodman. Last few, here's these Goodmans. Interesting fan blade.
Stop.
Thanks for watching.